How ethical hackers can help prevent insider threats. Ethical hackers are vital for reducing insider threats. Ethical hackers can help organizations. They simulate attacks and find vulnerabilities. This builds strong defenses and a culture of security awareness. This video explores how ethical hackers help prevent insider threats. Understanding insider threats. Insider threats are security risks from individuals within an organization. They misuse their access to harm data or systems. Malicious insiders. Those who misuse their access to harm the organization. This could be due to personal grievances, financial motives, or espionage. Negligent insiders. Employees who create security risks through carelessness. This includes failing to secure their devices or mishandling sensitive information. Techniques used by ethical hackers. Social engineering simulations. Ethical hackers test employees with phishing and impersonation attacks. They help assess the organization's resilience to insider threats that exploit human factors. Monitoring and detection. Test and use monitoring systems. They should detect any unusual or suspicious behavior in the network. This includes analyzing logs, tracking access patterns, and setting alerts for insider threats. Benefits of involving ethical hackers. Proactive threat identification. Ethical hackers find vulnerabilities before insiders can exploit them. This approach allows for quick fixes and cuts the risk of insider attacks. Enhanced security awareness. Ethical hackers run simulations and assessments. They raise employees' awareness of the importance of security practices. This education reduces negligence and fosters a culture of vigilance. Conclusion. In conclusion, ethical hackers are crucial in stopping insider threats. They use various techniques to simulate attacks and find vulnerabilities. Then, they improve security. Their proactive approach helps organizations. It keeps them ahead of risks and boosts security awareness. It also fosters a vigilant culture. Ethical hackers help organizations defend against insider threats. They do this by knowing the risks, using good methods, and promoting a security culture.